Come closer. Come closer. You want to have a man, you want to call yourself a husband. You want to have your own husband. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 ways to get yourself a husband in Zambia. Number 1, stop asking for transport money, more especially on the times of dating. Most men in Zambia, they are used with women whenever they want to have an outing or a dating. Most women, even if it's not even a long distance, even if she's her neighbor or whatever, but they always ask for transport money. In this way, when you make yourself unique, okay, when you differentiate yourself from these other women, men honestly are grateful in nature. They'll consider you to be different. They consider you to be special for not asking for transport money, and definitely they will start seeing you a different woman, a woman with substance, a woman who is able to live or to have a home with a man. So that's how it's done. Then the second thing, you need to bring yourself standards down. You need to lower your standard. Most mistake women usually make is that they lack respect and they lack to be responsible, more especially on bringing their standards down. They want to be living a happy life. They want to be living a high standard life. They want always to be demanding, prestige things, which can make men, to be panicking just to impress them. Okay, you need to be lower to your ground. You need to also be respectful. You need also to be understanding. A woman who understands, a woman who gives listening ear, you always get to be attractive to men. The third one, which is very important, give him doggy. Okay, most women who takes away other women's home, this what they use, with this what they do. Okay, when you give him it might sound very crazy, it might sound very funny, but no, this is the strategic ways. This is the one of the style which these guys, which these ladies usually utilize just to take away other women's home. Give him what she desires. One of the best styles that us men, women usually yearn for. Give him what he deserves. Give him what he's actually looking for. The other one, let me also talk about, you need to be productive. Okay, a woman, you need to be productive. A woman, you need to be doing some other things. Okay, most of the times I've seen a lot of women complaining. Most of the times I've seen a lot of women, like, they're not being given attention. They're not being given a respect to which they are called or which they are deserved. They are not like treated better in their homes. Most of the times it because they lack being productive. They don't contribute anything. They don't bring anything on the table. They don't bring any kind of ideas at all. Okay, being productive, it doesn't mean you need to start doing some other jobs or some other businesses. There are some men who doesn't even love their women to be doing something. But no, being productive, it might be the other way around, whereby you bringing ideas, bringing future ideas which will bring that marriage or that union at least to a better level, whereby by just sharing your own ideas, which is very good. The last one, let me also talk about, during the times of dating, if you want to have a husband, you need to stop being an easy goer. Okay, stop being an easy goer. Ask for the future plans. Okay, ask for the future plans. Try to encourage that man. Try to bring sense into that man. Okay, most of the mistake women make is that they only think when they open their legs to their men. That's the only way. That's the only key way which they will actually hold on tight to that man, which is a lie. Most men this time, they just eat and run. But no, when you give them those cold shoulders, when you give them, when you take time, okay, when you try to encourage him, what's the future plan, what's things that needs to be done before considering that word of marriage, definitely he's going to see you a different person. He's going to see you a potential and a special person. Okay, if you are reaching this channel for the first time, my name is Godwin. I mostly makes videos about relationship and marriage. If that sounds interesting to you, consider subscribing to the channel. Utilize these plans. Definitely, you are going to have your man to be called a husband. Stay blessed and stay good and stay great.